Even before COVID, local healthcare providers struggled to deliver preventative health care to vulnerable populations. Now that we are seemingly on the other side of the pandemic, there's an even bigger push to serve those at increased risk for poor health outcomes.
That's why a group called Team Ujima is bringing several resources together to make sure that these populations are served before serious health issues arrive. With us is Ida Ositelu. She is a community health worker and joins us with information on a community food giveaway and health fair. Good afternoon to you.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for being here.
Can you tell us a little bit more about Team Ujima?
Okay. Team Ujima is comprised of, it's the AME Zion Church that is a partner with the University of Maryland School of Medicine, the Department of Community and Family Medicine Services. It's doing research, and it is the Maryland Rural Health Infrastructure Initiative. And with that, they're looking at the effects of COVID-19 and long-haul COVID, post-COVID, and then the things that have taken place in the lives of individuals. And one of the issues that's concerned is for health care. Going through this process, and then the other chronic diseases that's coming into play. And so the Eastern Shore of Maryland is part of this research project that they're doing, but in the collaboration and the partnership, it is to get educational information out into the community.
So you're doing that by getting in some screenings and encouraging people to have these screenings. Were they missing them during COVID?
People were missing them during COVID, of course, especially with breast cancer and colon cancer screenings. And then the other part that has come into play as we have tried to get out the educational information into the community is running into people, some people have lost their primary care providers. And then with Medicaid and Medicare to make sure that people who are eligible for those services are getting re-enrolled and that they know what the enrollment times are.
So what kind of connections can people make at this health fair that's coming up?
Oh, wow. We have been blessed to have a collaboration. The health agencies in the area have responded very well to come. Tidal Health. You have other agencies that have come in that provide services, social services, and of course the Lower Shore Vulnerable Population Task Force with the food giveaway and the far-reaching arm that they have into the community. And so there is a lot of health agencies and services that will be at the health fair to help individuals to connect, as well as Medicaid and Medicare information.
So tell me a little bit more about the food giveaway.
The food giveaway, the Lower Shore Vulnerable Population Task Force will be there giving away fresh meats and vegetables and canned items, you know. That is something that they do to reach out into the community as well. But with that, we realize that you just cannot talk about a person's medical needs, but meet the physical needs, and then what other social economic things that are taking place that affects people's lives.
And for those that don't speak English, there's going to be ways for them to be a part of it as well.
Yes, because Wicomico County is a multicultural population of individuals and citizens that live here. And so there will be people who can translate Creole, Spanish, and English. And also one of the things is the Eastern Shore of Maryland, we are very unique. The community health workers that are part of this team, we were born and raised here. We are involved in the community. And so with that, we want to reach out to people to let them know these services are available to you.
Sounds like a wonderful event. Tell us where and when it's happening.
It is happening September 23rd, 9 a.m. to 12 noon at the St. James AME Zion Church located at 521 Mack Avenue here in Salisbury. And it's an outdoor event. Amen. We're praying for good weather. Okay.
I'll put a word in.
I think that's your cue right there.
I think she's just making sure that she got it in.
But we are looking forward to it because it is a time for the community to come together, and also as we are in this post emergency era of COVID-19, there are still issues that have come up, and a new vaccination is coming, and we want people to be informed and to get ahead of misinformation.
Right.
Yes. Ida, thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you.
so
Ujima,
welcome.
an event happening, and we'll, of course, have that information on our website.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
you.
Thank you.
Stick around. Delmarva Life. We'll be right back.